Hello everyone, I'm Henry. Welcome to the Delta Standard Power Supply launch event. As the era of autonomous industry arrives, robots are shuttling between restaurants, and AI is writing the operational logic of the future. Behind the success of these achievements, we often overlook the unsung electrical systems supporting everything. A current fluctuation of just a fraction of a second can halt a smart production line. In the pursuit of intelligence, stability is the ultimate luxury. Today, let us redefine the standard power supplies, truly driving the transformation of the future. Specification sheets carry ideals. There, voltage and temperature are always perfect. However, your equipment operates on the front lines of the real world, and that is the core consideration when we design power supplies. Polar cold storage facilities, desert solar power stations, or dust-filled factories. These are the true battlegrounds our industrial power supplies face every day. In such extreme environments, ordinary standards are not enough. What we need is a resilience that goes beyond the standard. This is Dimple's original intention, to reject mediocrity and be born only to conquer the future. From -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, it shows total environmental control. Beyond its extraordinary survivability, it has incredible explosive power, long withstanding the intense surge of current at the moment equipment starts up. In pursuit of stability, equipment often relies on excessive configurations. Engineers are accustomed to choosing oversized power supplies just to gain a sense of security. For the sake of that brief moment of demand, they endure long-term use of high-specification equipment. Not only does this incur additional costs, but it is also a lavish waste of rack space. IcePro breaks this compromise, delivering a stable, uncompromised 150% peak power in an extremely compact body. From now on, you can achieve the most precise and perfect configuration without reserving extra space, even for high power demands. The Zero Pro 960 watt also supports parallel operation. With its built-in current sharing technology, power expansion becomes easy, flexible, and highly adaptable. In addition, to ensure reliability even in harsh environments, it comes standard with a protective coating on the circuit board, effectively guarding against the erosion of dust and moisture. With outstanding performance as its foundation, we have also given it the flexibility of precise management, allowing you to have complete control over every single watt of power. Through remote on-off switching and DC-OK signals, your control system can not only monitor the power supply status, but also proactively manage power activation and shutdown as needed. Whether it's semiconductor equipment with zero tolerance for voltage sags that must comply with F47, or data centers pursuing the ultimate in high-density management, the DingPro can perfectly align with system logic, transforming passive power supply into controllable energy scheduling. Of course, the true value of technology ultimately needs to be experienced by top-tier users. We are very honored to invite experts from the industrial sector to share their real experiences implementing Delta solutions.
Hello everyone, I am Liu Long, Product Manager at Badawi. As power supply continues to evolve, the industrial market environment is becoming increasingly complex, and customers are setting even higher standards for power supply stability. Delta Power Supplies, with their high efficiency, high quality, and high reliability, help customers reduce failures, giving them peace of mind and confidence. At the same time, this gives us greater confidence and success in the market. Delta is a long-term trustworthy partner for us. With guaranteed quality, our cooperation is even more reassuring. We look forward to continuing to work hand in hand with Delta for mutual growth and success in the future.
Hello everyone, I am Zhang Huayu from Shenzhen Anjiecheng Company, working with Delta. We have been working together for 10 years. Delta has always been Anjiecheng's most trusted partner, and we are full of confidence in our future cooperation. I sincerely look forward to both companies achieving truly outstanding results in 2026. Thank you.
Thank you to our partner for sharing. It's not just a simple hardware upgrade. We achieve truly precise configurations with exceptional peak power and thoroughly resolve heat dissipation issues with outstanding high conversion efficiency. This is further enhanced by protective coatings on the circuit boards. It strengthens protection in centralized environments and further elevates power management to a new level of flexible control through remote switching capabilities. ZeroPro's solid energy is truly the most reliable cornerstone driving the blueprint for full automation. For high precision control, we have DingPro, but in a vast industrial park or energy facility. Beyond precise terminals, what we actually require even more is a powerful backbone to handle the truly immense energy of the power grid. The world of industrial power grids is far harsher than we imagine. Voltage fluctuations, lightning strikes, and even extreme outdoor temperature differences. These are all the temperamental challenges that power equipment must face. If the power supply isn't strong enough, the entire system becomes fragile and vulnerable. That's why we need the Dinico 3-phase power supply, which is specifically designed to handle these massive and unstable energy loads. The power range covers from 120 watts to 960 watts, while also offering excellent compatibility with a wide 3-phase input range from 340 volts to 575 volts, especially in our series. The upper input voltage limit is further increased to 600 volts. This means that even in heavy industrial areas with severe power fluctuations or at remote sites with unstable grids, Dinico acts like a solid dam, taming unstable high-voltage electricity into pure, stable DC power. In factory operations, surges are often the #1 cause of equipment damage. That's why Dinico features a breakthrough protection level as high as 4 kilovolts, leading its class in protective capability. In addition, the 3 UNA series is equipped with a protective coating on the circuit board housing, ensuring long-lasting and stable operation even in harsh environments with heavy dust or high humidity. Thanks to this resilient and adaptable nature, Dinico has already become an integral part of our vision for the future of daily life. Imagine massive wind turbines operating on distant coastlines or mountain ridges. There, the humidity is high and vibrations are intense. The Dingiku 3A series, with its excellent circuit board protective coating and anti-vibration design, can withstand harsh environments and reliably convert wind energy into electricity. This energy then flows into the lifeblood of the city. At roadside EV charging stations and in energy storage systems that regulate the power grid, Dingico quietly endures the wind and rain outdoors, ultimately arriving at the data center, the nerve center of computing power, where stability is paramount. Dingiku meets the semiconductor-grade SEMI-F 47 standard, ensuring that even during momentary fluctuations in the power grid, data processing remains rock solid. This is the philosophy of Dingiku. In every corner, it is always the most reliable support for Zero. It possesses Delta's industrial-grade robust genetic resources, operates across a wide temperature range from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius, and for high power demands, it offers parallel resource functionality, giving your system design maximum flexibility. As your business grows, expanding power capacity is just as effortless. In addition, the entire series is equipped with LED indicator lights, and models above 480 watts come standard with a DCO-K relay to ensure comprehensive monitoring with no blind spots. As the core of system operations, we ensure maintenance personnel quickly assess health status for precise issue management. With global certifications like IEC EN UL 62368 and 61010, it is your passport to global markets. If Dingpulo is the command tower for remote control of resources within the cabinet, then the Dinico is the robust power engine, unassuming yet powerful, quietly converting every bit of energy in wind turbines and charging stations. The Dinico 3-phase power, with its exceptional grid adaptability, lays the most solid foundation for your green energy blueprint. From the intelligent DingPro to the powerful Dingico, these two products officially define the core value of Delta Infinity Ready. They meet all your needs from the control end to the power end, constructing a complete blueprint for industrial power supply. Don't leave just yet. Scan the QR code on the screen now to get your exclusive offer. Join the raffle and download the complete product manual. Infinity ready. We're ready, are you? I'm Henry, representing the Delta team. Thank you for your participation. See you next time. Bye-bye.